Hi everyone! Today I'm introducing a high-performance LED temporary work light, specially designed for tough job sites and industry environments. It is super bright and delivering 13,000 to 19,500 lumens, so it is easily light up large areas with 360 degrees all around lighting. It ensures no dark spots in your workplace. Furthermore, this light is incredibly tough and durable. It comes with a stainless steel guard and an IP65 waterproof and dust-proof rating, making it resistant to impact in the wet condition. In terms of energy efficiency, the advanced LED technology gives it a lifespan of over 15,000 hours, helping you save big on energy and maintenance costs. Installation is super easy. It's lightweight, portable, and it comes with a safety hook for plug and play use. Even better, it supports a daisy chain function, so you can connect multiple lights to meet large lighting needs. Whether it's for construction sites, warehouse, or miners, this light is an ideal choice. Interested in the specific model? Let me know your needs. I'll help you find the right match.